What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In today's video I'm gonna show you some Cydia tweak that you should download. This tweak will allow you to set a video as your wallpaper, so you can use any video you want and set it as wallpaper on the lock screen, home screen, and control center as well. Now I'm gonna show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add my source. After adding my source, go to the search. Now here search for Eneko tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. Eneko tweak is an animated wallpaper tweak that will animate your home screen and the lock screen by adding video wallpapers. Now just go ahead and install it. Click modify, install, confirm. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. As you see, this is the tweak. This is just a welcome note, just ignore it. The first thing you will do is enable the tweak from here. From here you can customize the tweak. You can from here enable the tweak in the lock screen. If you want to enable it in the lock screen, just enable this button. Now click on lock screen wallpaper to choose a video. Now here select the video you want to use. The best thing about the tweak is that it also supports long videos, audio, and more. From here you can increase the video volume on the lock screen or decrease the video volume. You can also enable blur mode and also set a dim amount and change the opacity. In the second option here you can enable the tweak in the home screen, and of course you can find the same settings as the lock screen. In the third option here, you can enable the tweak in the control center so that you can have a beautiful control center, and of course the same settings as lock screen and the home screen. Here you can see two options. The first is mute when music plays, and this will mute the video sounds when you listen to music. The second option here is disable low battery mode, and this option, of course guys, will disable the tweak when low battery mode is on. Alright, now I'm gonna change the lock screen video. I will choose this one. After making any changes here, make sure to click respring to apply and save the changes. Okay, now just look at the lock screen and enjoy. This tweak is really amazing and it doesn't drain your battery. The video will continue to play, which means when it ends, it will start again automatically. This tweak is really amazing and it doesn't drain your battery. I've been using this tweak for about a month and haven't noticed any battery drain. This tweak is really good tweak and I recommend you to give it a try. It is completely free. You will find the source below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and peace.